Today we're going to show you how to make a sage and pear. A Pear and Sage 75. And there, you can come up.
It's going to be good.
But we're going to give you some tips on how you can improve it even more.
Are we?
Give it to Ian. Yes. Give it to
Ian. We're doing it right now. See?
Oh,
it's better. Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Derek and Dan and Ian are going to show you how to make the Pear and Sage 75.
Yes.
So you're going to need a pear liqueur for this, or pear puree if you want to. We have whatever. I've never.
We may need more gin now since we're going.
I have a whole other bottle.
All right.
Yeah, this is a pear liqueur from Germany. It's okay. I haven't really even used it.
It's okay. I've never tried it before.
Do you need this?
Maybe.
Let's see.
We didn't make enough gin cocktails at the pool.
No, you might be okay.
Or I bought this at the end of the year. Oh, look at! Oh, you didn't do it.
Quarter ounce.
Yeah, no, just keep pouring it. It's good.
It's coming.
It's good.
I'll scoop. Oh,
you just lost a quarter ounce on the table.
I did.
That's gonna be heavy. Killed.
Now you're gonna overpour it.
Overpour? Yeah, but overpouring is better than underpouring.
True.
Unless it goes on the table.
Look at you. Professional.
This recipe is 1 ounce of gin, half ounce of lemon juice, half ounce of pear liqueur, 1/4 ounce sage simple syrup, top with sparkling wine, or I use Cabo. There you can get Prosecco. You can use what's the other one?
Cabo, Prosecco.
They all have the same thing with different names depending on where you get it. This is Spanish, I believe, is Cava.
Yes.
And the sage simple syrup was a delicate mixture. I'll show you how to make it. I'm going to give you some tips. You make simple syrup, and then when you're done, you put like 4 to 8, depending how much simple syrup you make, sage leaves in it, and you let it steep for like 10 minutes, testing it every now and then to make sure it doesn't get too bitter. And I find that, doesn't that smell like pot? Why is that?
Oh, it does.
Yeah. What's the deal with that?
I don't know.
Is that why they used to dry sage and put it in pot leaves to like fill it out so you get more, or like you wait?
I always thought they put oregano in it.
Oh, maybe they do that. Right? I think they do oregano.
Well, it has more of the hallucinogenic compound than wormwood does, right?
Yeah. That's what it was.
Thujone. Yeah, it has more thujone.
That's what I was trying to explain to Jennifer. I'm like, it's got that same compound, but like it's not illegal. So it wasn't the compound of THC, it's the thujone. Yes. Which is worse than THC, I guess.
So wait a minute. Are you telling me we can smoke it?
We can brown butter it.
Yeah,
people do the smoked sage to like
you probably
clear out the demons and stuff,
right?
right?
I was going to say that to clear away demons, though.
Yeah. It is. It clears them away. That's just fact.
But you're not smoking it and inhaling it.
Is this really the last live stream? This is not the last live stream. This is just the current live stream. The last live stream was May. Oh, it's reacting!
Shit.
Oh, you know what it does when it touches lemon?
Spillage.
It does that.
Yeah. But we have, we used to have paper towels once. Ian's got them on the we're smacking it just like a mint.
Smack it.
So I'd say out of all the cocktails that we've made tonight, we have spilled 75% of them.
75%.
Yeah, the red wine.
Oh, not much though.
Okay, 50%.
Jen, you have no faith.
Not much.
It was just like a little bit of spillage.
Yeah, I know. But it's a stat.
But it was exciting. It's like a volcano.
Right. No, that one we saw, that was definitely gonna. You almost made you make this drink again, didn't you?
I was thinking about it.
Goes right here. Boom. Is that on my camera? Let's check it out. We did it, dude. The Sage, Pear and Sage 75. For those that are wondering, what's the name from? There's a French 75, which is just this drink, I guess. Without sage.
Without pear, right?
Oh yeah, there's no
pear.
pear. What do they use? What do they put in French 75s?
Just gin,
lemon, and some sort of.
Oh, that's so dumb when you can have.
Or cognac.
Oh, that would be That's probably more complicated in French.
We went to the French 75.
That's a place?
We went there.
Oh, a bar. I thought you were saying when you were in France, you went to the.
Oh, no. I was like, wait a minute, you were there too.
Well, that's okay because one of the drinks on the list tonight is Vauqueré. So we've been there too because it's in the same place. It's just a larger version. You have the Vauqueré and then you have the French 75 within the Vauqueré.
If you like pear, And sage?
How about pear?
Pear?
Yeah, pear sounds
Pear.
like a thing you stand
Pear.
on in the winter.
That's good.
Or some
Pear.
Sadness.
or
Or
colleague.
or peer. Yes,
Pear.
a peer review. A
Pear.
pear review.
Pear.
How's the review?
You guys are just being racist now. Because I can't say it.
Can you say
You
Lululemon?
don't have an accent.
He does. He has a Berkshire accent.
Oh.
But that's Berkshire isn't a race.
It's an area.
Did you guys know
That's
about
national.
You guys are being racist.
Lululemon and why they named it that?
Why?
I had no idea. Because it's like,
I don't know why.
do you know? So the guy who named it Lululemon because it's hard for Japanese
Oh
people
yes,
to
yes,
say,
because it was funny. Yeah.
and it has more of a Western connotation. And he thought it was funny to hear him
Yeah.
try to say Lululemon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
I've seen that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they'd say like.
That's hilarious.
Lululemon.
Ruru
Ruru
Because
Ramen?
they don't have the L sound.
Are you
Yeah.
serious?
Yeah.
I've heard that.
Yeah,
too.
look it up.
That's actually
Yeah.
terrible.
See if Wyman knows that. 'Cause he's always had to
we
tell
need to
him
find
this
a real
stuff.
racist.
That's racist.
Is this the last
Pear.
live stream?
No,
It's the last live stream of the month.
It's good.
It's the last live stream of the month.
That's tasty.
Lord Bacon the Destroyer.
A little bit on the sweet side.
That's good.
Really?
But that's not too sweet.
It's no, it's the name of the dude. I didn't think it's sweet. I think it's tangy. Like it's got the dry, like the champagne-y flavor.
Yeah. Dries it out.
Like that.
Well, the pear comes through like.
I forgot those were in here.
Really?
Apparently it didn't come through for Derek.
Yeah, I think it really came through.
But you
pear.
drink a lot more champagne-y stuff.
Yeah.
I think the champagne still dominates the flavor for me.
Yeah. And
Oh, I think the pear really comes through.
Try
I
it.
I'm try again.
I'll tell you.
think the pear
So,
really comes
this
through.
said-
Figure it out. It's okay. We got
Yeah,
it.
we're gonna figure it out.
the thing is that
Just keep it away
this
from
said
I'm gonna drink it because you want it.
this it called for a brut, so you want to use a dry
Wait,
or
let me taste it.
super dry or something
Okay, I get
dry.
a little bit of lemon.
Don't use a sweet
the pear a little bit.
prosecco if they make such a thing.
Is that a prosecco you put in there?
This is cava.
You don't get more pear out of that?
Yeah, I'm getting pear now.
I'm telling you. Yeah, drink that, then drink that. Tell me you don't get.
Oh, that tastes like Coors Light now.
Yeah.
Why do
You
I?
don't
Oh,
drink
yeah.
that. You get
The
a
more
lot
I
of pear.
drink it, the more I get a little bit of pear.
Yeah.
That's sage though. Get the sage.
No, it's a pear.
Yeah.
It like when you aerosol it, I think it gets on your mouth more.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to do that with like wine.
Yeah.
You are, or you bite it.
But it like to me, it like the pear comes out like almost like a pear skin, not like the juicy pear.
Yes, yeah.
Like it's like a bitter pear
Yeah.
because it's dry and got a little bit of bitter in the sage. Yeah,
This stuff is good too. I tried this before trying the cocktail, so maybe I have a little bit of pear bias.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I
I think you can taste it.
Well, how
I
much?
gave it to her.
I want to do.
I know. Tell me, can you
was I
taste the
not
pear?
supposed to do that?
Yes.
Right? I think that's like. Well, no, it's not going to taste.
That's just strong compared to what that is.
Yeah.
No,
And
but
it's super sweet.
yeah, but
It's good though. I like
it's
that.
just like pear to
There's a
me.
pear and then the lemon in the back end.
Yeah, but there-
That's what I got.
Yes.
I think
Pear up front and then lemon in the back end.
it's a sweet pear, but
Yeah.
it's just not a pear is a hard one for me. Like it doesn't come out really strong.
It actually tastes sweeter in the drink, I
That,
think,
that was
than
a
here.
peach up front and a starfish in the back.
God damn it. Lemon overpowers it.
You know the issue with pear is similar to the issue with blueberry. Like when you take and make if you want to infuse something with blueberries, it never has doesn't have. I always
Well-
expect a lot of blueberry.
Well, the blueberry
It's
flavor
not.
that we think of is like artificial, right? We think of
Yeah.
like artificial.
Yes.
We don't think about blueberries, which are slightly
Right.
tart.
And when
right?
you when
Yes.
you eat them, there's so much more going on. Like
No,
it's,
the really good ripe ones are nice and sweet.
It's just,
Yeah,
When they're
but
sweet,
the wild
they're
ones,
like
they
so
don't-
good.
Yeah.
they're
But
sweet,
you don't
but
get
they
those
don't
at the
taste like
store.
blueberry.
You got to pick them wild to get those.
Yeah, occasionally.
Like
you
the
go to
women.
Store, but yeah,
Yeah.
You can pick them wild.
Where pear, I think,
Goes to the store.
pear does the same thing. It doesn't have a lot of flavor. There's certain fruits when you put them in your drink, you're like, especially citrus, you taste it.
I think pear's a tough flavor.
Because
Yes.
You can't put pear and lemon together. The lemon's gonna overpower it.
No, I think I can. I think that it actually brightens the pear.
No.
From what if you taste this?
I think it's
And then taste it in
We
the
could
drink?
probably change the ratios to still get that brightness, but have the pear jump out a
Just
little
add
bit
more
more.
pear.
Yeah.
I get more lemon as well. Yeah, it's too lemony. It's too overpowering with lemon.
I don't really
With pear, pear is delicate. You can't
pear.
mess with it.
pear.
Don't mess with your delicateness.
It's delicate. It's delicate because it's like got the round bottom.
Right. It's
Pear-shaped.
I don't think you want to be pear-shaped.
Yeah.
That's a bad
But if you cut the front of the pear off, though, then it's okay. 'Cause
Then it's
now
okay.
you have, what do they call that?
Brazilian.
BBL?
Yeah. Yes, one of those. So you just gotta slice the pear and eat one side of it, and then now you have
That sounds right. Checks out.
Then you have two.
You gotta eat the front. Yeah, or you have two.
You hold on to the back so you can eat the front.
Yeah, right?
Okay.
Okay.
We're on the same page.
You're right. I guess pears are probably the best fruit now.
Yeah, they're up there with strawberries.
That's why I have 2 pear trees, 3 pear trees.
Does John know?
Yeah.
Right. So you could take that critique as you wish. You can either take out some of the lemon. If you want to do that, I would probably not take out the lemon. I would just increase the pear because there's only a half ounce of lemon.
Yeah, you don't want to take.
I would maybe do
Or squeeze.
like a quarter.
You could do a quarter ounce or like
I mean, a quarter is like so small.
Take the
Probably
little bit.
equal parts lemon and pear because the pear is half the lemon right now. So if we added a little bit of pear to this, which if there's still some left, we could do. I can't see.
There's some left.
You should give me a death stare. I can't tell. The lights are too bright.
That's just her face.
Sorry, that's just my face.
Well, no, it's the lights. I can't see. I can just see like eyebrows and teeth sometimes. So I don't know if it's a growl or a smile.
Just go do that. What we said, and that's good enough. That's it, my friends.
Try it.
Try it, and then go down.
You could perfect this.
You can make this better than what we have.
Yeah.
You could also make it worse if you choose to.
Right.
Yeah.
There is
You can
the
always make it worse.
yeah. There's freedom.
Yeah.
There's freedom of choice here. You can do whatever you want. You can pee in it, whatever. So down below, Awesome Drinks
Close
Bartender
that shit.
Starter Kit. Get yourself some sage. You're gonna need some of that. That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.